Dum, 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 dum.
Brianna. Daddy's trying to do something here.
Brianna, no, baby.
You little mama.
You just tootie pooped.
You. You.
Pew. Don't touch.
Alright, so this here is what's broken, but it's attached to this thing here.
So maybe you shouldn't mess with it.
Brianna, hey. Break it. A second here.
She said, hold on, I'll hold this for you, Dad.
Yeah, she did.
So are we going to get another TV if you completely destroy this one?
No.
Oh, wonderful. What's Daddy doing? What is Daddy doing? Oh my goodness.
They should not do that. That's interesting.
That's interesting. What are you owing about? Ow!
Flashlight. Oh, I got my phone.
Hi, Maddie. Hi, Maddie. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Wow!
What is she wowing about over there?
Tell me the girl.
Hi. Hi, Maddie. Maddie.
Wow.
Did you destroy it?
No, I haven't done anything to it.
You just don't know what to do.
No, I just see where it's broken and I see that it needs this piece new. And that piece goes inserted into this panel. I don't even know that you can do that, you know?
Is she pressing the drill?
You saw how she pressed it too?
Yes, I did. That's why our guns are locked up. Thank you very much. God.
Like this, facing toward her.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful.
That's how all the kids do. That's why they get killed.
Yeah.
It's snapped. This thing is snapped. It's like holding on by a little piece of metal. And I have some solder. I don't know if I should dare.
How much does it cost just to get a TV repaired by somebody?
Wow, big, so big, so big.
Who repairs TVs these days? They're so cheap.
Double.